T, and this is week 12, and I am looking at our social problems class from your point of view. And so this is what you should be seeing. Of course, you'll have a different number here and a different number there for however many announcements you still have left to read and how many grades you still have left to review that I've posted for you. But this video is going to talk about unit assignment 3 that is just opened recently in Blackboard for us. So we are on week 12, and so you should be working, of course, on these videos that are required watching this week, and these pages in your textbook that are required reading this week. And then, of course, we have our reflection journal and our quiz. Now, let me just say quickly, this video is about the unit assignment, but let me say quickly that a lot of you will be finished with your reflection journal this week after you do this opportunity, if you choose to do this opportunity. That's because you only do 10 reflection journals in a semester, and we should have, this should be like the 11th opportunity to do a unique reflection journal. We had week 8 was like an opportunity to do a makeup. So last week was technically the first week that it was possible for anybody to have 10 of their 10 reflection journals completed. So a lot of you will finish this week. So please pay attention to how many reflection journal scores you have in the grade book. Once you have 10 out of 10s, then you stop. That's a complete assignment, and you can't earn extra credit. So some of you will finish this particular week, and that's wonderful. You'll be able to skip this assignment for the rest of the weeks that we have in the term. And the same goes for quiz 13 here. You have 12 quizzes so far under your belt, if 13 if you've already taken quiz 13. And I'm going to look at, we have 17 quizzes total for this semester. I'm going to only count your 10 highest scores. So if you look back at all your quiz scores right now and you see 10 out of 10s, or several 10 out of 10s and some 9 out of 10s also. Anyway, if you're happy with 10 of your quiz scores that you've taken so far, you can technically begin to skip these quizzes. I suggest you go ahead, if you don't have 10 out of 10s on your quiz scores, go ahead and take as many quizzes that we have left, because the excuse me, the highest number of scores that you have, high scores, I'm going to count 10 high scores only. So take as many quizzes as you possibly can, and I will count the 10 high scores. Okay, so that's week 12. A lot of you have already done a lot of that. So anyway, let me talk about unit assignment 3. This is not a discussion board this time. This is an independent project that you're going to work on. There is an instruction page that is included in this folder, and the instructions give you 1-by-1 steps that you need to follow. 1 through 7 different steps. Step 7 is actually just an announcement about when it's due, November 17th. And so you're going to read the instructions and take some time between now and November 17th to complete it. And the way you're going to complete it is to open this assignment file that I have. It's set up like a test where you're going to include your answers for those 1 through 7 things that require an answer that you read about in the instructions. So you can open this test file and close this test file as many times as you need to, so that you can, put answers in. You can save it and close it. If you put some answers in, there's some fake answers. You can save and close, and you can continue your first attempt and that kind of thing, and go back and add more. Blah 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 blah. There you go. You can save and close and go back as many times as you want to, and then you only submit it once all of your information is in there. So I think the instructions are straightforward. I hope they are. Please read them and let me know through text message if there's any issue in understanding what I'm asking for. If you have a question about it in your mind, chances are a classmate of yours is going to have a similar question. So if you have any kind of confusion about what I'm asking for, please text me and let me know. And I can make another announcement about it. I can clarify the instructions. So I need your help with that, clarifying the instructions if there's anything confusing. So I think that that's all I need to tell you. yeah, I will hear from you in text message. I hope, and I hope y'all are doing well. Let me know if there's anything I need to do for you. Talk to you soon. Bye.